Welcome to the world of fitness, where your journey to a healthier lifestyle begins. If you're a beginner looking to kickstart your fitness routine, we're here to guide you on how to get started on your healthy lifestyle journey. To begin with, it's important to set realistic goals for yourself. Whether it's losing a few pounds, increasing your stamina, or simply feeling more energized, having clear objectives will help keep you motivated along the way. Next, it's essential to choose a workout routine that suits your preferences and fitness level. You can start with simple exercises like walking, jogging, or cycling, and gradually increase the intensity as you build strength and endurance. Consistency is key when it comes to establishing a fitness routine. Make a schedule and stick to it, no matter how busy your day might be. Remember, even a short workout session is better than none at all. In addition to regular exercise, paying attention to your diet is crucial for achieving your fitness goals. Make sure to fuel your body with nutritious foods that provide the energy and nutrients you need to stay active and healthy. Don't forget to listen to your body and give yourself proper rest and recovery time. Overtraining can lead to fatigue and injuries, so make sure to strike a balance between working out and giving your body a chance to recover. Lastly, remember that it's okay to start slow and progress at your own pace. Everyone's fitness journey is unique, so don't compare yourself to others. Celebrate your small victories along the way and stay focused on your ultimate goal of leading a healthier lifestyle. With these tips in mind, you're now ready to embark on your fitness journey as a beginner. Stay committed, stay motivated, and soon enough you'll be on your way to a fitter, stronger, and healthier version of yourself. Good luck.